What's up, mis amigas? Hello and welcome back to another video. I really hope you guys are having such an amazing day today. Happy Friday, and I hope you guys are having such a great day today. I'm telling you lots of blessings on whatever you guys are doing in your lives, and hoping that you guys are doing so good. So positive vibes for all of you guys out there. Yeah, so I'm here in my kitchen, and as you guys can see by the title of this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I clean my refrigerator. It's been a while that I have not showed you guys how I clean my refrigerator on this house right here. And as you guys seen on my previous video, that I did end up getting new appliances. As you guys can see right here behind me, that I did get new appliances. I upgraded them. I used to have white ones. No offense to the white ones or anything like that, but my goal has always been to get some stainless steel in my house. So I have no idea how I'm going to start off cleaning this refrigerator. It's not that bad, you guys, but it just needs a little bit of like wiping and stuff like that, and going over some stuff that I do have in there. Maybe throwing some stuff out because they're just kind of like old and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm ready to clean this refrigerator because it's been a freaking while. So that's what we're going to be doing right now today. And I want to thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. There's my dog. She was drinking water back there. But anyways, thank you guys so much for coming back to this video, and I hope you guys have an amazing time watching it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to like this video, because I am so excited to be here and I'm ready. So with that being said, you guys, let's get started with this video and let's start cleaning this refrigerator. Alright, you guys, so with that, I am here and cleaned the refrigerator, and I did went ahead and throw some stuff away that were just like expired or whatever. Oh, I know for sure the fact that I'm not going to be using them. So I am going to take everything out and then wipe it down nice and clean. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting stuff away. So yeah, I am in the process of doing that right now. I don't have a lot of food, you guys, but I do feel that I have a lot of expired stuff already, and stuff that are just like almost empty or whatever. I know I'm not gonna finish it, you guys. I know I'm not. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that now, and I'm gonna start taking some stuff out and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and play my music on, and let's begin. every single item that is here, and I am checking their expiration dates and stuff that I feel like I will not eat them. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm taking everything out, as you guys can see, and I literally threw away a couple of stuff out just because I felt they were just expired. And yeah, I am loving right now because I was just dancing, and it was so amazing once you put like good music on, and it literally moves your body, of course, and it just gives me in a good time, so I can just dance away and clean. So that's what I'm doing right now, you guys, and yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, mis amigas, so I went ahead and wiped everything out. I took everything out and wiped everything completely. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm just gonna leave these right here. These are just kind of like my ketchups and sauces. Keep those. So over here I did keep like all of my vegetables, like my chiles. I ended up seeing that I have a lot of chiles, so I need to make a freaking salsa. And all of my other stuff that I have here, I need to go grocery shopping, as you guys can see. And then my limones are right here, and then all my cheese and like my meats and stuff are right there, and my daughter's jello down there. I still have to put up all the stuff back here, like la leche, los jugos, and all that good stuff. And all of my other stuff are up here, sauces and whatever, drinks, and some other randomness down here. So I think it looks really good so far. To you guys it probably seems like the same, but actually cleaning it out, it makes a huge difference. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and start putting all of the milk, all of that nonsense right here.
mis amigas, so what I'm doing right now is all I'm doing is just cleaning the outside of my refrigerator. And believe me or not, but I still have the plastic on this refrigerator. I know you guys can't see, but I don't mind having it on there because this is like a brand new refrigerator. So I kind of want to leave it there until, until we decide that it's a good time so we can take it off. And yeah, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just cleaning it up, and I'm also using my favorite solution. I know I talk about this all the time in all of my videos, seems like, but I'm just using this spray bottle filled with vinegar and water. It's just mixed together, and I'm just using a microfiber rag and just wiping it away. I feel like this is like the best thing I've ever used to clean up my, not just my refrigerator, but multiple stuff around the house. I can just use it throughout my house, and I love it. It just makes wonders, and it's non-toxic, you guys. That's why I really, really love this solution. And also, I'm also going to be cleaning up the top of my refrigerator, as you guys can see right here. I don't know why, but I was just too scared to go up here, but I did it, and it was really dirty, believe it or not. So all I'm doing is just wiping it away.
Okay, mis amigas, so I am just done cleaning up this refrigerator. So I think it turned out so good. You guys can even see how shiny it is. The only product that I do use to clean my stainless steel is, as I showed you guys in the video, I just use my vinegar with water and literally just a rag. I personally like to use I think they're called microfiber, the rags. So these are the ones that I like to use, even for like the mirrors and stuff like that. Vinegar with water is such a great combination with a good solution for you guys to clean, and it's super natural, and it's not non-harming or any harsh chemicals. That's why I personally use this liquid solution, and I absolutely love it. You guys have seen my other videos that you guys noticed that I do use that solution for almost everything, like even with the mirrors. Like, you guys got to try it out. It leaves them super sparkly and shiny. So yeah, so I think it did turn out really, really well. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like inside. That way you guys can see. I went ahead and threw away some stuff that were kind of expired and share with you guys what it looks like. Let's open this bad boy up. So this is what it looks like, you guys. I obviously need to go grocery shopping. Over here are like my leche, and over here my tortillas, my huevos, and obviously it's so empty. I need to go grocery shopping ASAP. So yeah, I'm just glad I did this ahead of time, because this weekend is when we go ahead and go grocery shopping and stack this bad boy up. So that's what it looks like, you guys. And yeah, I'm telling you guys need to try that solution. I highly, highly recommend it. It's super, super cheap and easy to do. I bought this bottle container sprayer at the dollar store a while back ago, maybe like a year ago. Just start putting like my leftovers, like my magnets that my daughter has done for me in the past years. Believe it or not, this magnet, I've had it since 2013. It's been a friggin' while, and I absolutely love it. I always put it in my fridge. It's an pumpkin, and I just leave it in there. We have some pictures that we have to put up. I'm not gonna just show you guys yet, but it's in here, picture frame, and just a magnet, and just some pictures that my daughter has just drawn for us, and her chore list. She loves to have a chore list up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Start putting those up there right now. It's gonna be super quick and easy.
Y eso es todo, mis amigas. So it was nice and easy. This refrigerator was the most easiest thing I've ever done ever. Just kidding. It kind of took me a long time, but I did it. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, because I had a blast. And yeah, thank you guys for coming back, and I will see you guys next time on another video. Thank you guys.